haven't seen you since every day, guys. I was doing important stuff. Anyway, let's fly Air Canada A330. Since we haven't done since 1 month. Oh my god, I really missed you guys. Since I haven't played PTSS since every day. Was just recreating a train, guys. Sorry about this. Below 1 month, obviously. Speaking of that, we're gonna take off soon. Let me tell the tower. Air Canada 6074 gets into the runway. Okay, since it's raining, guys, we had to get a little bit of turbulence. It's night, but we'll get a mom real safe. From Florida to where are we going? Montreal. Yes, that was asking about this guy. Okay, this plane is heavy. Tower Air Canada 60474, we're clear to take off. Okay, thank you. Oh my god. Oh no, not the turn. God. Why is it always like a filming? Brace. Get out. No. Oh, we just took off. Yes. Okay. Oh god. Oh no. The weather's bad today. Oh my god. It's been raining since 2 here. Oh my god, we're never gonna be able to make it to Montreal. Oh god, please don't. No. The weather. No, we have to land at near 30. We're too low. Oh yeah. Pull up. I guess this is not the only choice, guys. We have, no, God. We made it safe, guys. Okay, this is the end. At least I didn't die or anything.